got this camera 2 years ago. Didn't know how to use it. After 4 weeks of classes, now I know how to use it. When I first got it, I hated it. Now I love it. Love my camera. Thank you, Katydid.
I've had a point and shoot for a long time. Just got a DSLR. Didn't know, how to use a lot of the advanced functions in the DSLR, and Kathy's class just has helped me, get the most out of my DSLR. Kathy is very knowledgeable. She's a wonderful teacher. She's very patient, and I just love being in her class. More than her classes, I also enjoy her workshops, which have given me a lot more experience on how to work in a real environment. So this is great. I mean, I totally love my camera. Photography, is not new to me, but it's now definitely one of my top passions. Thanks, Kathy. This was great.
When I went to buy this camera, the clerk said, "You'll love this camera. It's the one photographers go to." Well, after 6 months, I figured out why photographers go to it, because it's complicated and I couldn't use it until I took my courses at Katydid with Kathy Peoples. I can adjust the camera, take great shots. I can make sure that the picture that I see that is in my mind, in my imagination, is the picture that I get when I'm done. It's the one on the computer, it's the one I print out for family. I'm so pleased. I can see why it's a go-to camera, but not just for photographers.
Hi, my name's Marie. I signed up for Kathy's class because I got a digital camera 4 years ago when my son was born and never knew how to take pictures unless it was on auto, and I wanted to learn how to use the full features. I read the manual many times, but this class explained everything to me, and I'm able to use all the functions, and I'm just really enjoying it.
I've been taking pictures for probably about 15 plus years since I was in high school, and this class has truly showed me some of the fundamentals that I never learned over the years as far as taking pictures. Kathy is very patient, takes the time to break down pretty much whatever it is that you need to know about your camera. I'm the proud owner of a Nikon D80, soon to be upgrade, but Kathy has given me those pointers that I feel to be a stronger camera photographer, and hopefully she can do the same for you.
Just learned so much more. I never really knew anything about the camera or the insides, how you can use the settings to take different pictures, and it has just been so wonderful. I'm enjoying my camera and all the different things I can do with it, and I would definitely recommend this class.